how to make a toy cake made of cardboard. So, let's start. So, here we go. First, we're going to need a cardboard, a pair of scissors, a glue. So, we're going to make circles now. So, guys, if you're going to make this subject or something, you're going to be needing to ask your parents because this scissors is very dangerous. So, let's cut circles. Voila! So now, these are circles. Now, let's glue them together. Now we're going to be needing white paper. And if you're going to do this activity, you're going to copy me. You can use any color, not just white. So let's go, cut it. The white paper. So voila, here's the base of our cake. You better ask help from your parents because I actually got help from my mom. We actually use fabric so that it will look like a real icing. Now let's cut this cake. The cake is sliced, and so now we're going to put our toppings. Let's do it. Okay guys, our toppings are now done. So let's go cook it in the oven. The cake's done, but before I get the cake, let me wash my hands. Now, I have to wipe my hands. Now put it back.